Hello everyone, this is Alexander TV here, and in this video, I will be restoring this TV that I got. So as you can see, it is really dirty, dusty, and kind of muddy. So we'll have to clean it up. Also, we'll have to take it apart. Now as for what TV it is, it's some sort of old CRT TV, I'm not too sure of the brand. There were a lot of these. So I'll begin to clean it up with some Windex, alcohol, and just some regular wipes. And the mud and dirt and stuff really started coming off. Also, taking off this cover reveals the battery compartment, which that's a lot of batteries. After unscrewing all of the screws, I slowly and gently take the two covers off to reveal the internals, the CRT, power supply, and analog board. So everything looked pretty good. No bulging or leaking capacitors, and overall things looked fine, just a bit cheap and sketchy, which is normal for something like this. Also, there was a little bit of dirt. Now, after cleaning it up, it looks shiny and beautiful. Wow, look at how shiny it's become. Anyways, I'll make a separate video with it powered on. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.